Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ikonkar Coding. In today's session, I will discuss the journal coding problem, and the title of the problem is baseball game from Leetcode, and the problem statement is you are keeping the scores for a baseball game with strange rules. So in this problem, some rules are given to us, and at the beginning of the game you start with an empty record. So at the starting time, records are empty. You are given a list of string operations where operations of I is the ith operation, means some operations are given in the form of strings and I is the index of the string. You must apply operations to the records, and rules are one of the following. Okay, so some rules are given to us. Now first we focus what are the rules. Now rule number 1 is an integer x, means if in a string x will come, then record a new score of x. And second rule is if plus character will come, then record a new score, that is the sum of the previous two scores. Rule number 3 is if character D will come, then record a new score, that is the double of the previous score. And the rule number 4 is if character C will come, then invalidate the previous score and removing it from the record. So these are the following rules, and after applying these rules, what we have to do, we have to return sum of all the scores after applying all the operations. After applying all operations, we have to return the sum of all the scores. So first we discuss sample input. After this we discuss the code. So the sample input is ops. Ops is a string. String is made up of arrays. Okay, and here we have different characters in this string. Ops of 0 has 5 value. Ops of 1 has 2 value. Ops of 2 have C character. Ops of 3 have D character, and ops of 4 have plus character. Okay, now the thing is, I hope all of you have intuitions that this problem we can solve with the help of stack. Okay, so I just create a stack. Okay, now if integer will come, so first operation in a string is integer x. If integer will come, just we push that integer into the stack. After this 2 will come, just we have to push the 2 into the stack according to the rule number 1. After this character C will come. When C will come, we have to invalidate the previous record. How to invalidate the previous record? Just we pop this 2 from the stack. Okay, and after this character D will come. When character D will come, what we do? When character D will come, we have only 5 in the stack. Okay, so when character D will come, we have to make a double of the previous record. So in the now at the top element of the stack is 5. So we do we multiply this 5 by 2 because we have to double the previous record, and it become 10. Then we push 10 into the stack. Okay, according to the rule. Now after this plus character will come. Now according to the rule number 2, if plus character will come, we have to we have to push the sum of the previous two records. So previous two records are 10 and 5. Okay, so we have to do the addition of this 10 plus 5, it become 15. Okay, and then we have to push 15 into the stack and it become this one. Okay, after plus there is no operation. So now string is completed, it means all the operations are completed. Now we have, what we have to do, we have to return the sum of all the scores on the record. So now we have to perform the addition of all these elements. So the elements are 15 plus 10 plus 5, it become 15 plus 10 25, 20 plus 5 plus 5, it become 30. So in the output, what we have to return, we have to return this 30. We have to return the sum of all the scores after applying all the operations. I hope all of you understood, all of you understand the problem. Okay, now we discuss the code for this. Okay, so with the help of stack we can easily solve this problem. Okay, so in this problem we have to complete this calculate point function. Okay, and operation is given to us in the form of vector. Okay, now vector is just a dynamic array. Okay, you can consider a vector as an array. Okay, so first I create a stack variable. Here I am using a standard template library of C++ languages. Okay, so first I create a variable of stack. Okay, then I implement a loop. I is equal to 0, I less than ops dot size I plus plus. Okay, so here I am using I less than. Okay, because index start from 0, that's why. Now I has a value 0 and 0 less than of operation dot size, condition true, control move here. Now here we have operations of 0. Now what is the value here? Operation of 0 is 5. So 5 double equal to C, condition false. Okay. So now the thing is, if character, if operation of I will come, if operation of I is C, then what we have to do, we have to invalidate the previous code. So just we pop the top element from the stack. Okay, after this we go in the else part. Now if ops of operations of I double equal to character D, if character D will come, then just we push the double value of the element that is on the top of the stack. So what I do, so here I have to push, what we have to push, we have to push the whatever element, whatever value is at the top of the stack, we make that value as double and then we push that value into the stack. Okay, and in the else part, if plus factor will come, then we have to perform the addition of previous two records. Now how to perform the addition? So first we fetch the top element of the stack in f variable. F represent the first record. Then we have to pop first value. After this again we fetch the top element of the stack and that value stored in s variable. Now there is no need to pop this second value. Okay, so just I push the value of the f. So I write here as stack dot push f. After this we have to push the sum of the first plus second value. So I write here stack dot push f plus s. Okay, in this way the sum of the two records is pushed into the stack. Okay, and the fourth number rule is, if an integer will come, then what I do, first I convert that string into integer using this function s2i, and whatever value, integer value is there, that value is converted into integer. Okay, because operations we have given this operation in the form of string, so we have to convert that string into the integer. After this we have to push that value into the stack. Okay, so after this, after completing this for loop, what we have to do, we have to return the sum of the all records. So for returning the sum, I declare a sum variable and I initialize sum with value 0, and here we implement a while loop while stack is not empty. Then we do the addition of stack elements. So I write here sum is equal to sum plus stack of top, and after doing the addition we have to pop the top element of the stack. So after completing this while loop we have to return this sum value. Okay, and I hope in this way you can solve this problem. Okay, and thank you all for watching my video. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.